Hello friends, very interesting day. I was not expecting a trending day today. Interesting day because there was a news in between. I think the US sovereign bonds got re-rated by Fitch and it has been rated one notch below the value which was there till today morning, right? And that is what I think market was in a mood to book profits, and this whenever there is a profit booking, negative news keep coming, market keeps falling, right? Whenever the trend is positive, you will see all the positive news come. That is how market behaves. But today's downfall came like a surprise. I was at least not expecting today to have such a big trending move. In the end, there was some volatility because market actually recovered up to 45,075. But the first move till 1:30 was 1:30 or 2 o'clock was good bearish downside move. I did not capture many points in the downside move because in between I had to come out of the trade. There was something urgent. The long side trade I captured fairly well, and we made decent points, right? I think I one downside move for a decent rally, and I captured one upside move for decent rally. The first move which happened in the morning, I was not confident, so I did not take it, and then in between I was in and out. Now, from a VIX standpoint, today VIX actually sometime in the day went up by 15-17%, right? VIX above 12.0 will actually benefit option buyer because it has been staying low for a very long time. Let's get into Bank Nifty chart and see what is happening, right? Now this move, had it come tomorrow, would have been great. Bank Nifty has actually taken support. Many people would be saying it's bearish, but guys, it's profit booking, right? From the top it has just shaved off 1200, 1300 points. It is not much given the magnitude of rally that you are seeing. So for tomorrow, now what happens, right? This is a spinning top candle. After a gap down, it has been formed. Tomorrow makes it tricky, right? Had today been another consolidation day, we would have had a decent run. Why do I say so? This level will now act as a resistance, right? And here you will not be able to go immediately long. Here you won't be able to go immediately short. So below 45, 44, 940, you have a target of 44, 826. Above 45, 125, you have a target of 45, 240. These are the only targets which are there in the market. For that to happen, market has to open in this range of 44, 950 to 45, 050, which means flat opening, small gap up, small gap down. A big gap up above this level 45, 140 will be tricky. A big gap down below 44, 910, 880, right, will again be tricky. There then we will have to wait and watch for the market to give us a bearish or bullish price action, form range, then take out the levels, or probably wait for some candlestick pattern, right, to emerge after 3-4 candles fall or 3-4 candles long, right? So then we will not be able to take the morning trade. Personally, I am seeing tomorrow, I think this news may be absorbed and we'll have to wait and watch and see how the US markets react. US markets, gold has reacted adversely. In fact, gold has fallen big. The Dow Jones and all those markets haven't fallen with that ferocity which we saw in Indian markets, right? So I'm not sure what to make out of it. Nasdaq has given a decent fall, but Dow Jones, not a big fall. In fact, after opening, it has been going steady. So I don't know what to make out of it. But personally, I would be taking the morning trade only if it opens flat, right? It's near the support 44 and below 44 700. If it starts trading in the last 1.5 hour, right, around 1:45 2 o'clock, then I will take a trade for 44 600 and 44 550. Long side, I think we are now capped. If market opens big gap up, trades near 45 200 and 320, you may see one upside push till 45 450, right? So hero zero trade also looks very difficult, but I will see tomorrow around 1:45 2 o'clock, right, where the market is placed is where we'll take a hero zero trade. I am personally not seeing a big move. Now why do I say so? I said yesterday, right, some components were bullish, some components were bearish. Today if you see SBI corrected, IndusInd corrected, Axis corrected, ICICI corrected, HDFC stayed flat and Kotak corrected. So now for tomorrow, right, again if you see the components are actually stuck in a range. So ICICI corrected and retraced back. Axis has not retraced back 50%, so Axis remains weak. ICICI is neutral, HDFC is neutral, Kotak remains weak, SBI remains weak, and IndusInd also remains weak. So now tomorrow the alignment rate is more on the bear side. So if we get a flat opening and a move below the levels that I shown, bear side trade will give you better results. Now let's look at uh, the option chart. So option chart, purely because of the move after 210, right, has got spoiled. So for long, right, what should I do? I need an opening between 240 270 for my first target of 320, second target of 350. This is 44,800C. 45,100P has taken a support at an interesting level, right? Ideally above, if it opens between 200 and 225, I would wait for 5-10 minute consolidation and then a breakout for the targets of 290 and 330, right? That's the strategy on Bank Nifty. So more or less it looks like bear side the momentum will be good. Bull side I think it is restricted, right? And Hero Zero probably will have to take a call around 12, around 130, 145, right? We'll see where market is there, but I have given the levels. Now let's look at Nifty. Nifty, I said do not short because of Nifty IT, and if you see Nifty IT has given some profit booking. It was a broader profit booking, news driven, but if you see Nifty hasn't performed, there was a 200-point dip, it has recovered sharply. Nifty for tomorrow, long only about 19,580, target of 19,635. Short, I will wait and watch and see, right? I am not clear about the short side of view in Nifty. Why do I say so? If you see on the on all these charts, right, Bank Nifty has corrected, but otherwise, right, Bank Nifty, Realty, Auto, right, Nifty Auto, we were expecting small profit booking because the numbers in the auto sales were not that great. Nifty Metal, again due to consumption it has come down, but if you see Nifty IT is still not bad. So guys, Nifty tomorrow, just wait and watch. If you get a trade on the long side, you take it 60 points. Short side, wait and watch and see, right? I am personally seeing a grinding expiry in the first half, and then you may get a small move here and there to trap the retail traders. Ideally, if consolidation would have happened today, you could have seen a good movement tomorrow, right? I want to quickly go to option data. See, it's gonna be a very tricky expiry, which is where we may have to look at multiple things. You need confluence before you can actually take a trade, right? Tomorrow looks tricky. Otherwise, I would have not opened this one. So I use OI Pulse for my open interest analysis. Let's see what the call and put writers have done. Okay, 45,000 more call writers have added position. Wow. So in this up move, the put writers have completely exited. Let's see the last 60 minutes when the up move happened. Okay, 45,050, 44,950, a good zone of fight. Whichever way market breaks, right, you will see 120-point candle. Personally, I am seeing one move downwards. The move downwards may come all the way till 44,650, right? Actually, there are no support downside. If you see upside, decent call writing is there. Until and unless there is a news, right, you will see a decent correction from the if market opens gap up, you will see a decent correction, right? So fair guys, that's it. In case you are liking the content, please share, subscribe to our channel. We have both our Telegram and YouTube channels. Guys, share it with your friends, family members who are into trading. A lot of content where you can learn from us. We do it free of cost. We also post a lot of trades which are giving decent accuracy and people are making good money. So do share our channel. Do not skip and watch our videos completely, because you may end up losing some insights that we are sharing in between, right? Stocks at this point of time, wait. I don't like to give shorts on the sell side. Stocks on the sell side, we'll wait and see what to do there. Yeah. Thank you, friends. I think that's it from our end. Hope everyone has a profitable expiry. We had decent 3 days. Fin Nifty expiry was also good. Today could have made more, but it's okay. Happy with whatever we got. So that's it, friends. All the best for tomorrow's expiry. Looks tricky in the first half. Be cautious and reduce your quantity. Thank you.